It's ready to go. Yeah, look at that. I feel like it's just about the same size as an XR100. And think about it, no oil, no gas, just turn the key and get it. So clearly you can tell by the title what we got going on. This is completely different, a different shift in the game. We're going from, you know, a gas motor to electric. As I've always been looking at most of these new bikes that I get, I'm always looking at a budget-friendly type of idea. So I'm not gonna say this is too budget-friendly, but if you're looking to dive into the electric world, I'm gonna take a look at this, give you my honest opinion, and then see if it's really worth the budget and if it really is budget-friendly. So I'm just gonna speed run and throw this together. I'm gonna try to be quick. Alright, so we got it out of the box. Now, I'm going to kind of challenge myself. I'm only going to use the hardware and the tools that it came with to put it together. And hopefully it came with some decent tools. Yeah, I like that. It sits on the stand nice. So, I haven't even put a mile on this thing. I've just gone, you know, couple minutes down the road, and it pulls pretty well. Even in the first mode and second mode, it pulls well. Level 3, it's ready to go. Yeah, look at that. Nice pull here, full throttle. We hit 40 there. No way, there's a little spot out here. There she is. It's there, it's got power when you want it. It does feel a little torquey, like it can do some wheelies. I'm gonna have to practice it out here. It's a little bit better than a traditional gas bike. So there's no oil, there's no gas, just charge it up and go. Just make sure your brake pads are looking good, your chain slack is good, and that's about it. I feel like it's just about the same size as an XR100. Oh. Oh shit. That's what I'm saying, I'm scared to loop it. But this thing is fun for a little electric dirt bike that goes just as fast as like a 110. And it's possible for it to go faster. And think about it, no oil, no gas, just turn the key and get it. If you want to see things as soon as they happen or as soon as possible, go ahead and check out my social media like my Instagram, my TikTok. I'm going to start uploading on my TikTok more. I haven't really used it much, but I appreciate y'all watching. This bike is pretty cool. I'm going to make more videos about it, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.